What's up guys, for today's video I got here another very unique product. Right here, Levatuna, whatever this means, it's a levitating moon lamp. I have put to the test few levitating products like this with the platform and everything, but this is definitely one of the coolest. This is a lamp and it's a levitating moon. How genius is that? I cannot believe how long it took them to finally come up with something like that. I love anything with space. So hopefully this one actually works really well. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. Okay. Boom. We got ourselves a little moon right here. It actually looks like a moon. I don't know if you can see. Let it focus. There you go. You see? There's little craters in there and it's not perfectly round, little mountains in there. Awesome. Actually looks like a moon. And on the bottom right here there's a magnet. You can actually see and feel it. Boom, let's set it aside. Bunch of packaging stuff. And right here is a levitating platform, wood finish. Right here on and off button. And on the back right here, that's how you power it up. With this plug right here. Alright, let's plug it all in and let's see how it works. Obviously this is simple, plug this in and then set it somewhere. The wire is pretty long, looks like at least 5 feet, which is good to have on a lamp. Boom. Right here you can feel there's a magnet down here. So let me try to set it up. Oh, it takes a little bit of practice to put it together, but once you figure it out how, it actually will be very simple. You see how it's sliding on and off. Also they say if you cannot get it for 3 minutes you want to take a break because you don't want to overheat it. So you want to get it pretty fast. Boom, look at that. And it's spinning moon. And right here you can turn it on or off. I gotta show it to you in the dark, how epic it looks in the dark. And then we can spin it. How cool is that? Levitating moon on a platform. Let me see if I can actually move it without it falling down. Carefully though. Oh wow, it moves without falling down. Amazing. Okay, right here, this is how you turn off on and off light. You don't even have to touch it, it's wirelessly. How cool is that? When it's light up, it's so beautiful. Wow. Whoever come up with this gadget, genius. In the dark, it looks even better. It's too little bright in here. How amazing would it be to set it by your bed or in an office and you have this lamp that is completely levitating and it's actual lamp that you can turn on and off. And it actually looks very realistic, just like a moon. Check this out. Love this thing. 3D printing is very awesome. And if you want to move it, just grab it, lay it down, no big deal. It's magnetizing together and just lift it up and put it in different location. So very easy to set it up. Grab a moon, put it in your hands like this and then put it down and then just find that sweet spot and it's going to light up. If it's off, that means it's not in the right spot. And just keep letting it go. Try to get it in the right spot. If it doesn't work, take it off, try it again. And then let go. Boom. Takes a little bit of a practice, but how cool that is. Then you can spin it. At first it's kind of wobbly, but once it's settled down, it's actually spinning without wobbling. Let me show it to you how it looks like from far away. Boom, it's obviously, you can tell that it's levitating. It takes your eyes right at it. Right now it's spinning kind of fast, but in a day it will slow down quite a bit. But I have it levitating for 48 hours. It was still spinning, not as fast, but it was still spinning. It's amazing. Of course, don't look at the wires. That's something that I would have to move, levitating over there. So maybe it would be a cool office desk lamp too, because it's just a conversation starter piece for sure. Okay, one thing we have left to do, let's go to a dark room and see what it looks like in the dark. There you go, guys, this is what it looks like in the dark. How cool is that? Isn't that beautiful? So amazing. Doesn't it look like a real moon? It is actually a lot brighter than the camera can pick it up. If I turn it off and turn it back on, look how much brighter it gets, and then camera will dim it because it's too much light. Amazing, isn't it? And all you have to do is just put your finger down here and it will shut off and turn it back on. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this levitating moon lamp. This is a mind blow. Honestly, the best gift ever. If you know somebody loves space, they're gonna be shocked and amazed, and they're gonna love you for this gift. Because I gave this one to Katherine before I showed it to you. She was so excited, she couldn't believe how awesome this thing is. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you next time.